Hey there, Firestick fans! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Ready to get the most out of your Firestick 4K Max or other Firestick device? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to install the latest version of Kodi, that's Kodi 21.1 Omega. This version comes packed with new features and improvements. So buckle up and let's get started. This is going to be a fun and easy process. First things first, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. This is a crucial step. This will allow us to install Kodi since it's not available on the Amazon App Store. Without this, we won't be able to proceed. So grab your remote and follow along. I'll guide you through each step. Go to your Firestick home screen and navigate to Settings. This is where all the magic begins. Scroll over to My Fire TV. Got it? Great. This is where we'll find the developer options. Now click on Developer Options. This menu is essential for enabling the necessary settings. Here you'll see Apps from Unknown Sources. This is what we need to turn on. Click it and make sure it's turned on. This setting allows us to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. You might get a warning message. Just hit Turn On. Don't worry, this is completely safe. Next step, we need to get the Downloader app. This app will help us download Kodi. Head back to the home screen and use the search icon. This is where we'll find the Downloader app. Type in Downloader and select the app from the search results. This app is free and easy to use. Click Download and wait for it to install. This should only take a few moments. But first, if you do not have your developer option in the My Fire TV section, I will leave a card at the top right corner. Click to watch how to open up this feature on your Fire Stick. Alright, now open the Downloader app. This is where we'll enter the URL to download Kodi. You'll see a URL field. This is where we'll type in the address to get Kodi. Type in this address, https://www.kodi.tv/download. Click Go. This will direct you to the official Kodi website. Here we'll find the download link for Kodi 21.1 Omega. Scroll down until you see the Android logo. Click on it. This is because Firestick runs on a modified version of Android. Now, select the 32-bit version. This is the most compatible version for Firestick devices. The download should start automatically. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, click Install. This will begin the installation process for Kodi. Wait a few moments and once it's installed, click Done. Then delete twice on next screen. Boom! You've got Kodi 21.1 Omega on your Fire Stick. But we're not done yet. We need to make sure everything is set up correctly. Let's ensure everything is working smoothly. Open Kodi and you'll be greeted with the new Omega interface. It looks pretty sleek, right? Go to Settings, then System. This is where we'll adjust some final settings. Make sure to set the Unknown Sources option to On. This is to ensure you can install all the cool add-ons you want. These add-ons are what make Kodi so powerful and versatile. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've got the latest Kodi running on your Fire Stick. The king of streaming is on your Fire Stick now. Enjoy streaming all your favorite content with the powerful new features Kodi 21.1 Omega offers. From movies to TV shows, the possibilities are endless. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more great content. Stay tuned. I will be posting a new video on a great build for Kodi. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming. Enjoy your new Kodi setup.